This video, I will show you how the color correction are working on your video file. For example, I have here effects and presets. Click here, and I am going to color correction tool. Click on this tool here, and we have a lot of effects from After Effects. If you don't have here, the effect is preset. I go to Window, and we just select this presets. So now I'm going to color correction, and for example, I'm going to curve effect. I want to apply curve to my video file. Click and drag here, or on my layer like this. Now it's opened my effects in this panel here. So this is curves. If I click here, hold on and drag it, we can see what's happening on my video file. If I go like this, you can make few changes. So now I don't need this. Click here to select my effect, and I press delete to my keyboard. I want to show you other color correction, for example, levels. I go to levels. We have a lot of options on the levels. Black, white, gamma, output black, output white. So I click on the arrows, and I add more black on my video file. Go to white, and I add more white. With these few options, you can change better color on your video files.